I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're struggling to log into your Boost Mobile account, follow these steps to get back on track. Step 1. Check your credentials. Make sure you are entering the correct username and password. Double check for any typos or case sensitivity. Step 2. Reset your password. Before starting recovery, use the ashrock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Clear browser cache. Sometimes, old data can cause login issues. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then try logging in again. Gotcha. On Chrome, go to Settings, Privacy and Security, clear browsing data. Step 4. Update the app. If you're using the Boost Mobile app, ensure it's updated to the latest version. Go to your App Store and check for updates. Step 5. Contact customer support. If all else fails, reach out to Boost Mobile's customer support for assistance. They can help troubleshoot your account issues. I hope these steps help you resolve your login issues quickly. Don't hesitate to reach out if you need further assistance.